So before I begin this video guys, I have to tell you that this video could be auto-dubbed. From last two videos, my videos are auto-dubbed in the voice of an AI, which is very annoying sometimes. And if you see that happening in future as well, which is a YouTube glitch, I'm not doing anything from my end for the AI sound and stuff. You can go on the top right corner of your screen. There's a settings ka symbol. Just click on that, scroll down to audio track or track audio. Click on that and select Hindi original. When you select Hindi original, you will hear my sound instead of AI sounds. So that is one disclaimer that I wanted to give out in the beginning of this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, there's a lot of stuff that I want to show you. First, I got things from H&M. Everything was on sale. Then I got one thing from Nykaa Fashion. Actually, two things from Nykaa Fashion. One co-ord set and one kurta set. And then I have some things from Bath & Body Works. And then some essentials from Amazon. Let's start with maybe Amazon stuff first. So the first very essential item that I got for myself are these two shampoos. The red shampoo and the white shampoo. That's what I call them. But this is the Color Protect shampoo. And this is the Total Repair shampoo. Like I have purchased their hyaluronic hyaluron wala shampoo, which is the blue bottle. I'll leave a picture of that on the screen. But honestly, I did not like it as much. I like this one and this one better. I just find my hair to be more manageable with the red one and white one. So these are a must. I still have their respective conditioners, so I just got the shampoo. And then of course I was running out on my hair serum. So I purchased these two new hair serums. The one that I use is the Total Repair 5-1 only, the regular one, which I really like. Like honestly, I'm not going to trade that with any other serum. But I just wanted to try out these two new hair serums. This is the Total Repair 5 repairing serum. This is 7% repair concentrate with keratin. I have used this one and I still need to use it a couple of more times to know how I exactly feel about this one. This is for $3.99 for this bottle and this one I think is 60 ml. This is, I don't know what is the difference between that transparent Total Repair 5 and this white Total Repair 5, but there is definitely a difference in the product for sure. And then I got this one. This is the Hyaluron Moisture one, the shampoo that I was talking of. This is Hyaluron Moisture Injecting Serum, and this has hyaluronic complex. It gives bouncy hair and it does not weigh the hair down. This is for dehydrated hair, just the kind of hair that I have, but I still have to use it to say anything about it. If you've used it, let me know what you think about it. But I'm definitely not going to throw away my original L'Oreal ka serum, which I have been using from years, and I really like that serum. So I'm into nail polish, nail paints guys, and I have never gotten my nails done, but I'm more of a sit at home and relax and chill and apply your nail paint kind of a girl. So I purchased some nail paints. So Color Bar definitely is a good brand for the nail paints and also for the nail paint remover. I got this in the shade Ghost Suede, and it is a non-shimmery, nothing, no nonsense kind of a nude color. It's a suede color, just the color of the cap, and I think it's a very nice color for formal formal nails, like for everyday wear as well. But if you work in an office or if you don't like to do your nails that much, this is a very good nude color to go for. And generally I do wear nude nails, except for today I'm wearing like metallic greenish color. So I tried Renee nail paints. Like I have shown you guys Renee ka stick-on, those stick-on nails, and they're really nice, affordable, and looks really nice. They're not like cheap looking and stuff, but these nail paints are amazing. This is from their Metallicious nail paint collection, and one shade that I got myself is Silky Nude. I'm going to give close-up of every nail paint. Then I got this shade, which is Forest Flash. It's a beautiful color for the summer. I feel like it's a beautiful green color. It's just so perfect, and each of these Metallicious nail paints are priced at $149. And then in the Metallicious range, I got this nail paint, which is Light Chestnut. It's a beautiful sort of a lilac color. It's going to reflect colors. It's very pretty. And then I got this Mattitude. That was Metallicious. This is Mattitude, and it's a matte nail paint, and this is in the shade Soft Clay. It is the color of the clay, just like the Color Bar one. The cap and everything got dirty because I ordered another nail paint from Lakme, and somehow the bottle broke and it spilled everywhere and got on my packaging of other nail paint. So it's a beautiful color. Again, it's a very nude, everyday wearable color. So if you don't wear nail paints, this is a beautiful color to go for. I don't wear nail paints except sometimes, you know, sometimes I'm just in the mood to wear color. I've also ordered a red color in this one, like a beautiful Metallicious red color, but that hasn't arrived yet, so I cannot really show you. If I receive that nail paint while editing, I'll probably insert a picture. So yes, Metallicious nail paints by Renee are really good. They do chip off. I applied this green color, and if you do work and stuff, it will chip off in 2 days maybe, but still, you know, 149 ka nail paint and you get a good color payoff and everything for 2-3 days. I think it's a good bargain. I purchased those nail paints from Amazon. I also got myself that Color Bar ka, you know, those pads, nail paint remover pads from Color Bar. They're really nice. I find them very convenient to kind of remove the nail paint as opposed to the liquid nail paint removers, you know. So that was everything from Amazon. Then from Bath and Body Works, I got myself 3 body lotions. I love body lotions. I apply body lotions every single day. If you've not seen my body lotions ka video, I'll leave an iCard over here. You can go ahead and watch that, because applying body lotions is very important. And in that video, I have suggested some affordable, really nice summer options. If you find these kind of body lotions very heavy, you can go for the lighter versions that are much more affordable, easily available, and very light on the skin as well. So even though I apply all of those body lotions, I still love my Bath and Body Works ka body lotions once in a while. So I got myself one in bright Christmas morning. It smells really nice, like festive and Christmas and beautiful, like. And honestly guys, even the fragrance of Bath and Body Works ka body lotions doesn't last for more than 30 minutes. Then Dahlia, my #1 favorite. This is really nice. It smells really nice. It has velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka beans. Even though it sounds really awesome, but doesn't last very long on the body. Then I got myself a luminous one by Bath and Body Works, and this one is ruby currant, gilded iris, and praline amber. Like, so awesome. It has vitamin E, shea butter, and coconut oil, so it's very moisturizing, very hydrating. If you have really dry skin, Bath and Body Works is something that I would suggest. And then again, something for the body are shower gels. I love shower gels. Like, I love shower gels, and I can literally apply any shower gel, but because I got Dahlia, I thought why not pick this one up, because it smells really nice. I love Dahlia from Bath and Body Works. And then I picked up Champagne Toast. Now, so I had their foaming hand soap from Bath and Body Works, and I love the fragrance of that. So when I got this one, I picked this one up. It smells really beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. Oh god, it's very festive, very candy sweet, like a fragrance. But yeah, it's beautiful. Champagne Toast. The name itself is really beautiful. So guys, those were all the body care stuff. Now I'm going to show you everything that I got from H&M. First, I got this top. It's a really nice square neck top. I'm sure you cannot see it because it's a very light blue color with small, you know, blue prints. I'll give you a close-up of it. It is a square neck top, which is like sleeveless, and it is semi-crop. I call it, there's no word as semi-crop. I call it semi-crop because it is not very cropped, but it doesn't go really down on the waist as well. It just is perfect for jeans as high as this, and this is a high-waisted jean, so it's really beautiful. It's a very nice hosiery material and it's very comfortable for the summers. Then I got another one in that same one because I'm a sucker for really comfortable tops, and I got this one. It is in the color white. I have too many blacks, so I skipped the black this time. There's also a black in this one, and I'm sure that's going to look amazing, but I picked up a white, and it is a very comfortable top, and I'm going to get many uses out of this one. Then I picked up this jeans. It was a different looking jeans, I think. So it's very like baggy, very loose, and it has this kind of a border on the bottom. This is very heavy for some reason. I don't know. It's a workout. Wearing this jeans is a workout in itself. This is the back part and this is the front part. The placement of the pocket is like in the front. Yeah, it's a very simple, like a parallel sort of a jeans, and it's high-waisted, it's wide, and I'm in the size 42, but it fits me slightly loose. And then in one of my videos, I was wearing this dress. A lot of you did ask me, Kate, is it a dress or a top? Now, it is a beautiful dress. The neckline is perfect. It fits so nicely on, and it's a very nice dress which has a lot of flair in it. I just love this dress so much, and because it was on a sale, I got it. It has a deep back and a zipper at the back, and it has a deep neck, and it just looks very flattering. It's a very, very beautiful dress, you know, for the summer. You can wear it with sneakers and with a shirt on. You can wear it just like that. You can wear it with heels. I mean, there are multiple ways to actually style it, but I really love this dress a lot, so I picked this one up. And the denim is not like very, very you know, hard denim. It's a beautiful denim, soft denim. Then I got this dress, very summery vibe, and I just love this dress so much. Like, it's such a beautiful cotton number. So I got this one in size small, but the rest of the things from H&M are in size medium. So it's a beautiful dress. It has a lot of elastication going on the neck, the sleeve, and then here as well on the waist. So if you have belly fat issue like I have, like, that is the only thing that I think is the problem with this one. But for people who have like a flat stomach, it's a beautiful dress for the summer. It is just a beautiful dress, very, very comfortable. I really like it. It's cotton material. The print is all tangerines, orange and green on a base of off-white, which is my favorite kind of a background. You know, that is the color of a flag. White, orange and green. So yeah, it's beautiful. Really love this dress a lot. I would highly recommend this one. Next, guys, I got this really beautiful co-ord set from Nykaa Fashion, and I really like it for the fabric. It's rayon fabric, and I love how comfortable it is. First of all, this is what it looks like, and this is by this brand Globus. And if you're not already aware about the sizing of Globus, it runs big. I'm size medium everywhere, every time, in all the brands, but with this one you have to go a size up. This is size large, and this honestly fits me very, very snug. Like, it's a beautiful top. It's a sleeveless top with this kind of a peplum border over here, and it has buttons in the front. I really like this top. Obviously, I can wear this top with my jeans and everything as well, so it's really, really pretty. And then comes the bottom. The bottom does not have lining, and it is a rayon fabric, so it can be slightly see-through. It is a normal palazzo with pockets, and it comes with this kind of a belt. I like it, the color, fabric, and everything is nice, so I picked this up. This was for around 1500 rupees. Then Nykaa was having a birthday sale where they were giving 200 rupees off as a coupon, so I got this co-ord set for 1300 rupees. Then I got this beautiful dress, beautiful salwar kameez or a sharara dress from this brand Nykaa. This is also available on Myntra, and this is also available on Nykaa Fashion. I think Myntra gives a better price on Nykaa, while Nykaa Fashion, I find it slightly much more expensive. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful white shirt with this kind of embroidery. I'll give you a close-up for sure. It looks really nice. It comes with, I think, sleeves as well. I'm not sure. No, it does not come with sleeves, guys. It is a sleeveless, you know, sharara set with this very beautiful embroidery, and the rest of the fabric is kind of, you know, golden print. Then at the bottom is this gota patti work. It's not very long. It just falls a little above my knee. So it's a beautiful shirt. This dupatta is a chiffon fabric. I definitely need to iron it, and it has this kind of a gota patti work on the border. And it's a very big dupatta, so it's beautiful, but it slipped, so I'm not really sure about this one. And then the best part is this beautiful sharara. It's like very, very you know, wide, but it's very comfortable. It has elasticated waistband, it has a drawstring, and then tighter till here, and then just flares down. And then at the bottom again this gota patti work. So it looks beautiful, it looks stunning, it looks so chic. There are 3 colors available in this one, a black and a red and a white. I picked up the white one because I really like this color. It's a beautiful white color, and it's a beautiful fabric, and I think I like the black one too. I might get the black one. For some reason I was very drawn to the red one, but generally I don't like red color. I don't like red color as much, so I think if it goes on sale I will pick the black color as well. But this one is very beautiful. I love it. It's perfect for the summer. It is very, very beautiful for small functions, occasions, even for casual wear. I think it's a very, very smart, you know, sharara set. That's what I will say. So guys, that was everything in this video of mine. I'm going to leave link of everything in the description box below, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. You can scan this over here, or you can search my name, which is SanaRup7 on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram and be my friend over there. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.